So our topics are using tan to find side and sine to find angle. So our question is, Susie climbed up a vertical rope onto the platform of a zip line. She slid down the zip line for 120 feet. The total length from the base of the ladder to the end of the zip line is 105 feet. Use sine to find the angle of depression from the platform to the ground, and use tan to find the height of the rope to get to the top of the platform. So now we have a diagram of the situation, and we have our triangle labeled into parts A, B, and C. We're going to be solving for measure of angle A, so we have that indicated with our theta. So using sine, you find the measures that are opposite and the measure of the hypotenuse. And because you're finding the inverse of sine, we're going to use sine inverse of 1. And the measurements we're going to use for opposite of the angle, it's going to be 105 over 120. When you plug this into your calculator, you will get 61.04. And since you're solving for an angle, that will be in degrees, and that will be your measure of angle A.
Okay, so the next step that we're going to be doing is tan to find side. So that means we're going to use tangent equals to opposite over adjacent. Previously, in the first step, we used sine to find out that m angle A is equal to 61.04. And then we found m angle C by doing 90 minus 61.04, giving us m angle C. So to find tan to find side, the first thing that we're going to be doing is to fill out the equation, which is tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. And if we plug in the numbers that we have previously to the equation, we're going to be getting tan 28.96, and we're using m angle C because it'll make our lives much easier in the end, equals to x over 105. Which is line BC. So after this, we're going to multiply each side by 105. And then we're going to be left with the equation 105 tan 28.96 equals x. Given our new equation and plugging it into a calculator, we can find that x equals 58.11 feet. And given that we start with words, we must end with words, giving us our solutions. First being, using sine to find angle theta, we found that m angle A equals 61.04 degrees. This is the measure from the angle of depression from the platform to the ground. And secondly, using tan to find side, we get m angle C equals 28.96 degrees from 90 degrees minus 61.04 degrees. Using this angle, we find that side AB, we find side AB giving us the length of the ladder, which is 58.11 feet.